Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. PowerToys version 47 is now rolling out. It started rolling out in the last day or so, and this also means now we have been upgraded from version 45 to 47 in this latest release to the PowerToys utility. Now, if you are currently on version 45, all you need to do is just check for updates, and this process will update you to the latest version automatically, which is 0.47.0. And if you aren't currently using PowerToys and would like to try it out, you can just head over to GitHub and do a search there, and you will be able to download the installer from GitHub and manually install it onto your device. Now, Microsoft says that version 47 is primarily centered around stability updates and optimizations, installer updates, general bug fixes, and accessibility improvements. Now, some of the key changes in the changelog is that the first one is that due to user feedback, the shortcut guard can now be enabled by holding the Win key. And if we just head over to that, you can see if you hold down the Windows key, the Shift key, and the / key at the same time, which I'm just going to do quickly, this will bring up the shortcut guard. And this is a feature that was brought back due to recent user feedback. Now, some other key changes are that the WinUI, the user interface for PowerToys, has been upgraded to version 2.7.0. And also the installer, if you download the installer manually, the installer package is actually has been reduced in size. And I actually noticed this when I downloaded it earlier today, that it was more or less half the size as the compared to the previous version. So that's a nice little change there to the installer. And also PowerToys Run, additional logging and error handling has been added to PowerToys Run. And the image resizer, they say they've replaced the list view with combo box for image resizer. So that's a nice little change as well. Now, some of the general bug fixes, I'm just going to mention some of those key highlights in the general bug fixes, is that they say they've fixed the issue with new updates changing the PowerToys install location. So that's been addressed. And they also mention that an issue has been fixed with the bug report tool not generating zip files. And also the sidebar icons, they say fixed inconsistent width of sidebar icons. So your sidebar icons have been fixed with that inconsistent width as well. Now, if we just head over to GitHub, this is where you can download PowerToys. This will give you a more in-depth look at what is going on, all the changes and improvements that I've mentioned regarding PowerToys version 47. And basically, every utility has received some sort of update or bug fix or add-on. And there's too many to mention in this video, so I will leave a link to this page down below. If you are using PowerToys, you can go check this out more in depth for yourself. And yeah, you can download the installer package as well if you would like to. And then just something to mention here at the top, they say an experimental version of PowerToys version 48 will be rolling out the week of October the 4th. And they say that all updates from this version 47 release will still apply in that experimental version 48. So that's more or less what's new in PowerToys. I've just mentioned some of the key highlights for you, but go check out that GitHub post, and there you'll see all of the updates and bug fixes if you are interested. So I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.